Welcome to another episode of Pakistan on a Plate. My name is Neelufar Afridi Kazi. Today's recipe is not associated with an area in Pakistan, but with a person, a very special person, a larger than life personality, the embodiment of humanity, love, and my mentor, Asma Jahangir. Asma Jahangir remains a role model as she does for millions of Pakistanis and people around the globe. Her struggle for basic rights for all in Pakistan began young in her life and never stopped. Every phase in her life involved fighting for rights, and along the way, she inspired a generation to follow this path. This was her faith. A year since she left us, Asma Jahangir's struggle, her determination for a better Pakistan for all lives on. Asma Khala loved good food. She was a fantastic cook, and today we cook with her family. Jilani Jahangir, her son, and also her chefs Jahanzeb Saab, Parvez Saab, and Sughra Appa. Together we make some of her favorite delights. Jilani is in fact a hospitality professional, trained in Switzerland and an amazing chef in his own right. So we are doubly lucky to see his culinary skills at work. Today we'll be looking at and making Machli ka Salan, a regular delight on Asma Khala's table, with mungra ka achar, a Jahangir's home staple and a signature dish. We're with Jilani Jahangir, who's going to teach us how to make Machli ka Salan. Thank you, Jilani. We were just recounting Uncle TJ. Asma Khala loved cooking for the family, and especially abroad when they were in school, college, on vacations.
She used to pride herself on a biryani.
Acha.
Because her mother cooked her biryani very well.
Today we are making a fish curry.
Yes, I know. I heard. That's why I'm here to see what's going to be done.
The ingredients that we need for our first recipe are salt, zira, red chili crushed, haldi, turmeric,
garlic,
and what's this?
It's methi. So that's about a kilo.
It looks more, no?
It's about a kilo.
Oh, really?
And
And this is from Aslam Machli Wala.
So we have 2 woks, ladles. Which oil are you using? What is it called?
It's natural. That's the fish cut up
Yeah.
in pieces. The fish you want to put again and salt it. Wash it off before you start to cook it and chop it up.
I've always loved the sound of that crackling. Chop, chop.
Sure.
You just slit them open and you take out a little bit of the beach.
Yeah.
1 kilo of yogurt, huh?
Yeah.
Great chef.
Yes. Shehu made it very well.
Good job. Good job.
We never think about